For
I
am
not
ashamed
of the gospel
because
it is
the power
of God
that
brings
salvation
to
everyone who
believes.
Romans
1:16.
The devil shames people every day. The devil has come to kill, steal, and destroy. He shames young people all across our county with pornography, with lust, with adultery, with drinking, with drugs, destroying the lives of the young people of Lamar County, and we're tired of it. The Unashamed Youth Conference will be held at Canaan Land Church of God in Reno, Texas, July 30th through August 3rd at 7 p.m. each night. Youth pastor of this non-denominational event, we want you to be involved. Bring your youth band, bring your drama team, your dance team. We want you to help us minister to the youth of this county and this region. And we are unashamed.